to tell you about a food delivery service that I have been getting, and also to give you an opportunity to get a free box of food for this meal service. So this one was one that I'm not sure how long it's been around, but certainly not as long as HelloFresh, I don't think. I did get HelloFresh for quite a long time, actually. And I ended up canceling it because they were just making mistakes all the time. I can't tell you how many times I would get a box that was missing ingredients, or that they would send something completely different, like the recipe called for basil and they would send mint. I kept contacting them about it and promising, well, we're gonna get this together and you'll never have this happen again. It happened to me probably about a third of the time, and I think I was having boxes sent to me for a year and a half or more. So I thought it was unacceptable, so I stopped. But anyway, I heard about this one this last December was the first time that I heard about it. It's called Martha and Marley Spoon. I don't know what the Marley Spoon part is, but it is Martha Stewart, and it's her working alongside I think it was an editor of one of her magazines that she had in the past. Maybe it was Everyday Food, or it might have been just her regular Martha Stewart Living magazine. I'm not sure, but it's the two of them working together. And so they have this, it's the same kind of thing as HelloFresh. They send you sign up for whether you want a traditional box that has meat meals, or if you want a veggie box, and you have, it seems to me like there are more choices in what kinds of food you get than other meal delivery services I've tried. Can't remember though. So, and then they send it to you, and it's got a bag for each of the meals with your stuff in it, and they include ice and different things to keep certain things cold while it's being shipped. And I have loved this meal delivery service. I started it around the end of December. We started fostering a baby, and I thought it would be nice to not have to get all of my meals from the grocery store. And we signed up for the Veggie Box, the vegetarian box. Oh my gosh, what I really loved about these meals is that they didn't taste or look like they were vegetarian meals. They were healthy and had vegetables and things like that, but you could probably sit down and eat one of these recipes for a tortellini with roasted tomatoes or whatever, and then get to the end of the meal and say, there wasn't any meat in that, or maybe you wouldn't even notice, but they didn't come across as being, I don't know. I mean, some things that have like a farro, is that how you pronounce it? Farro grain and roasted zucchini and asparagus. Some of those is like, okay, I'm getting veggies here. But these didn't seem that way to me. And all of them, pretty much all of the recipes have been really good. There have maybe been 2 recipes that I thought, I don't have to have that again. But it wasn't so much that there was something wrong with the recipe. It was just more like my taste. Like, I've just determined that I'm not a big fan of tofu. I've tried it numerous ways, and it's a texture thing. I just am not a big fan. And so anyway, but other than that, their meals have been so yummy. We are still getting the box delivered every week. The price of the meals is pretty reasonable. Per serving, the meals range between $6.39 a meal to $10.25 a meal. So if it's 2 people, then you're going to be paying just over $12 for one of them, or as high as just over $20. But it's pretty reasonable. The meals, most all of them are cooked with between 20 and 30 minutes. I think there might have been one that was 40 minutes. And they've just been wonderful. So I absolutely love it. I love all the options. And the reason why I'm telling you about this is that I actually have 8 free boxes that I can gift to people. 8 of them. So what I need to do, if you're interested, you need to send me an email. at busybeingjen@gmail.com. So I put that right there, busybeingjen@gmail.com. All you need to do is I need your first name and your email address. That's it. I will then put your name and email address into the system. You'll get an email from Martha and Marley Spoon that says, hey, good news, you get a free box. You have to actually sign up as if you're going to become a member. And then it probably makes you put in a credit card. I'm not sure, but I think so. And then they will send you a free box. As soon as you get notification that your box has shipped, you have some options. You can actually go in and cancel and just never buy anything from them. You can pause it. I would probably recommend pausing unless you're certain that you want to get reoccurring boxes. I would probably recommend as soon as you hear that your box has shipped, going into your account and pausing it. That way you have time to receive the box, cook the meals, and decide if this is a service that you want to keep trying. If you wait until you've received the box and cooked, they will have already sent another one to you and billed you for it. So you don't have to buy any, you can get your free box and you don't have to go any further than that, but they will send you another one before you have a chance to decide if the service is good, which is why if you're not sure, just go into your account and pause it. So yeah, and then you can decide, what kind of meals you want to get and whether the service is right for you. I have been so happy with the accuracy of the orders. I think twice I've been getting this box for 8 months, over 8 months. And I think there were 2 times that I had an issue. One, the corn tortillas were split. They'd kind of fallen apart. And another one, I think maybe it was some lettuce or something that didn't seem very fresh. Each time I let them know and they credited my account, but never did I have a situation where they sent me the wrong ingredients, like they sent me mint instead of basil. Never have I had a situation where an item was left out, because I just think that that's kind of unacceptable. If you're a meal delivery service and you're trying to save people time, you should at least give people everything that they need, which is what was so frustrating to me about HelloFresh. So there you go. If you're interested, go right now and send me an email, because I only have 8 free boxes to give, and just let me know and I'd be happy to send it to you. So I hope you like this video. If you're not a subscriber, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon, and YouTube will let you know when I upload new videos, which is quite often. I'd love to have you follow me, and I will see you guys in another video. Take care. Bye-bye.